Hello guys and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something I've been wanting to tell you guys about for some time now, but I wanted to use this product for quite a while before I gave you guys my thoughts. So this video is not sponsored, by the way. I pay for this product with my own money. I purchased it 3 times now, and let me just tell you, I'm hooked. We are going to talk about the Ryze mushroom coffee today. I'm sure if you guys have any kind of social media, I'm sure you've seen it all over the place. I want to say I saw it on Instagram or Facebook. One of the ads caught my eye, and I love coffee. If you didn't know that already, I'm obsessed with coffee. Like, I have to have some every day. And I don't even need it for the caffeine. I just love how it tastes. I like putting creamer in it. I like making like a little frou-frou drink. I love me some Starbucks. The caffeine really wasn't doing anything good for me, so I would get jittery. I would get heart palpitations, which I know it's, yeah. But I just really enjoyed it. So I have switched over to decaf, especially when I was pregnant. I only drank decaf. But I had been seeing this everywhere, and I love mushrooms, by the way, too. But I really didn't want to drink a coffee that tasted like mushrooms. So I was very intrigued. The things that kind of got me about this particular drink, it has basically, I want to say it has 6 different mushrooms, and it's supposed to help with energy, stress relief, focus, immune support, healthy digestion, and fights oxidative stress. What is that? Hey Siri, what is oxidative stress?
Here's some information.
Reflects an imbalance between the systematic manifestation of reactive oxygen species and what? Okay, wait. So what does that mean, like, in normal people terms?
Here's what I found.
What does it mean to be a normal person? She's still listening.
Normalities.
Siri, stop. Have you guys done the new update? Like, she's still listening. Siri, stop listening. So in the new update, you can keep asking questions. You don't have to keep saying, hey Siri. Well, it definitely works. So yeah, I don't really know what that kind of stress means, but hey, any kind of stress I don't want, because I have 3 kids and life is just stressful. So I was really intrigued to try this. Oh, and it did say that it is less caffeine than regular coffee. I want to say it's like a third of the amount of caffeine. So this container makes 30 drinks, and so that'll last you a month unless you have more. There were some days, like right when I first started using it, I like to drink it twice a day just to kind of see if I was getting, I don't know, see if it would start working quicker. So I'm going to go on their website and just kind of tell you what their claims are, and then I'll get into like my thoughts and what I noticed, and then I'll show you guys how I make it. So I don't know if I said, but it's it's on sale today. Well, it's on sale for $27. Holiday pricing, I don't know. I honestly don't know what the normal pricing is because I have never had to pay full price. I want to say it's $45, but I usually pay right around $36. I think my first one was the cheapest, but yeah, if you guys order today, it's $27. Oh, and it comes with a free cute little spoon. I'll show you guys that later. Heal your body and mind. Loaded with adaptogenic mushrooms, our organic coffee blend delivers calmer energy, sharper focus, and immune support for a balanced body and clear mind. Taste, smooth, creamy, and delicious. All with less than half the caffeine of normal coffee. No jitters, no crush. Okay, so less than half. So I would say like a third, like I said earlier. It all sounds great, right? So I was most nervous about the taste. I was like, okay, I don't want something like super earthy. I love how my coffee tastes, so I didn't want to get rid of that. But I will tell you guys right now, I love the taste. I don't even like to drink regular coffee anymore. This stuff tastes so good. I don't know what it is. The first time, my first month of it was a little gritty. But what I do is I take my little hand mixer and mix it up, and like it's only gritty like when you get to the bottom, but oh man, the flavor is so good. So whatever creamer you put in it, it really just tastes like the creamer. So basically it just shows all of the different mushrooms that are in here, and then it tells you what they do. And then of course I kind of went in and I Googled some of these and just like searched some of the other benefits. So like, for example, this one increases oxygenation to sustain energy and support rapid recovery, here to bring out your inner athlete. And I have been working out. I go to the gym almost every day to work out, but also because I have a 1-year-old and I need a little break, and she really enjoys the childcare there. So I have noticed I don't get sore like I used to. I don't know if it's just because I'm building up, like because I work out more, but yeah, my muscles, I haven't seemed as sore. I never even realized that that was one of the benefits. And then this one here is a versatile superfood beloved in Eastern medicine for thousands of years. The mushroom of immortality supports better mood, here to relieve stress and ensure peaceful sleep. Yes, like I agree with everything. Everything that it talks about, I agree with. Lion's mane, Buddhist monks use lion's mane extensively to enhance focus and purpose in their study and meditation, here to give calm but laser sharp focus. The shiitake is most commonly found in certain cuisine, but it has been cherished in Eastern medicine as a medicinal supplement to promote metabolic function and boost the immune system, here to support your immune health. And I don't want to jinx anything, but I haven't been sick since I've been drinking this. Knock on wood. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have even said that. Turkey tail. Eye-catching stripes give turkey tail its name, but its ability to protect the digestive system as an antimicrobial is the reason we include it, here to protect your gut and promote healthy digestion. So, okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Sometimes when you drink coffee, it doesn't really agree with your stomach, and you know what I'm talking about. This is not that way. Like, this is supposed to help protect your gut and promote healthy digestion. So not only are you getting the coffee benefits, like the taste and just whatever, I love how coffee tastes. You're not getting that, like, the bad side effects of coffee, if you catch my drift. Okay, King Trumpet delivers abundant healing value as an immunity elixir due to its high levels of amino acids and antioxidants, here to fight oxidative stress and boost immunity. We still don't really know what that word is, huh? Okay, I'm editing and I found a site that makes sense. So go ahead and pause this and you can read what it says. But okay, I don't want to say this is not my claim to say. This is one thing I read on one of the articles I was reading about the ingredients in this coffee, and it said it can help. I don't even want to say this. Don't cover me. This is just something I read. It says it can help prevent cancer. So yeah, I don't know how believable that is, but hey, I'm up to give it a shot. So all of the ingredients in here are very, very good. Let's see. All the ingredients, there's not many. Organic mushroom blend, and then it names off those 6 mushrooms. Organic instant coffee, organic MCT oil, I don't know what that is, and organic coconut milk. And it says it contains tree nuts. Oh, here's the caffeine content, 48 milligrams. Wow, so in a normal cup of coffee, I think you're getting like 200. So that is crazy. So all that aside, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys like what I have experienced. So like I said earlier, I am a coffee drinker. I drink coffee every day, or I did. I did not get caffeine headaches when I switched over to this. And I pretty much went cold turkey. Like, I would maybe have a little bit of coffee here and there, but nothing like not every day. And I started using this every day, sometimes twice a day. I say drinking. And I never got the caffeine headaches. I never felt bad after stopping the caffeine. So that's very surprising to think that it's that much less caffeine, but I still had more energy. The one thing I noticed, so afternoons are my worst. After I pick up the kids from school, those hours between like 2:30 and 5 are the worst for me. Like, I'm so exhausted. And I've just noticed after drinking this, I don't get that crash. Like, yeah, I still get tired because I'm older and I have 3 kids. It's exhausting. But I never got that crash where, like, literally before I could sit down on the couch and just fall asleep. So I have noticed that. And sometimes what I'll do, if I am having a very exhausting day, I'll pour another cup. And the cool thing about this, like, it doesn't affect my sleep. Like, if I try to go to bed at 9:30, I'm not gonna have a problem sleeping. Energy is definitely better. Focus, I would say, I want to say it's better, but I'm just like all over the place. Anyways, like, I just have so much in my brain. So I can't really say if it's really working on that aspect, on that end, but Immune support, yes. Stress relief, yeah, I think. Like, I wouldn't want to know how I feel without this because I just feel like life is stressful, especially this time of year. So, I don't know. Hopefully it's helping with that. Healthy digestion, yes. Oh, that is another thing. I used to feel bloated all the time. I don't feel bloated anymore, ever. Like, ever. That was something that kind of like I wasn't expecting. And it just kind of occurred to me. And I'm like, wait a minute. Like, I don't feel, and yes, I have been working out, but this is different. I just feel healthier. And then another thing I'm going to get into, this might be TMI. If you're a man and don't want to hear about this, then go ahead and skip on a few minutes. But we're going to talk about my period. So before this mushroom coffee, okay, and I'm not even saying it's because of this, but this is the only thing that I've changed, and I've noticed a change in my body. Before, I used to have very, 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 very painful periods and very, very heavy. And it's not like that anymore. I barely have any pain, and they only last like 4 days now. And they're much, much lighter. I'm sorry if that's TMI, but this is the only thing that I've changed. Unless I'm starting to go through menopause, I don't know, that could be as well. But I just feel like this has like balanced me out like in so many different ways. So yeah, that has been another one that I wasn't expecting, but I mean, I'm kind of just blaming it on this because that's the only thing that's different in my life, besides working out. But I mean, I've been working out for a year, so, and that hasn't changed. And I just started this in September. So I don't know if I mentioned that, but I started drinking this daily in September. So it's been 3 full months of drinking this, and yeah, I love it. All right, let's go over to the coffee maker, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it. It's super easy. When I ordered it, it did come with a cute little wooden spoon. I'll show you guys that. And then I have a mixer from Amazon. You need to get that if you're going to purchase this because you just want to make sure it's mixed up so that it's not gritty tasting. But let's go make it. Okay, so I just make it over here with my Keurig. I'll just turn it on. And then don't mind my wine bottles. It's that time of year. This is the cute little spoon that it came with, and this is just what I use to, I don't mix it with this, I just get the coffee out with that. So this is what it looks like. It honestly kind of looks like brown sugar to me, and it kind of smells like brown sugar. It doesn't smell like mushrooms at all. All right, so they say to take a spoonful, and I usually do like maybe that much, maybe a little bit more, like that. So then I take a little bit of my creamer, pour it on in there, and then I take my little mixer and just mix that all around. You just want to make sure it's all mixed so it doesn't taste super gritty. And by doing this, it kind of makes it frothy, so it's almost like a latte. It's super yummy. Just put it in here, and I don't do it on the fullest cup. I do it on the one over just because I don't want it to overflow, and I want it to be a little bit stronger. So I'll hit that, and then now it's just going to add the hot water, and then you can enjoy it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's so yummy. It looks like a latte that you'd get from Starbucks. Trying to like figure out the best way to describe the flavor. I had a regular coffee yesterday, and I didn't love how it tasted. Like I wished that it was this. It's so good. It kind of reminds me of hot chocolate. It really just kind of like whatever creamer you put in there, it pretty much just tastes like that. Now, if you are someone that likes like black coffee or stronger coffee tasting, then you might not like this. But if you like kind of like the Starbucks, lattes, this is delicious. All right, you guys, that does it for my review. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, 10 out of 10. I'm going to continue to drink it just because it makes me feel good. I like how it tastes. I feel like I feel healthier. So I don't know, maybe it's all in my head. I don't care, but I really do enjoy it. Let me know if you guys have tried this one. I will put a link in the description box. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. They didn't give me a link or anything. I will just put it down there. So if you guys want to check them out, But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this brand or if you've tried another brand, if there's another one I should check out. I have heard there's another one called Mudwater, I think it's called. I've never tried that one, so let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we will see you all soon. Bye.